In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership in a Trello board. If you're looking to pass the torch of administrative duties on Trello, whether for organizational purposes or simply to delegate tasks, you're in the right place. In this simple process, I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can transfer board ownership smoothly and effortlessly. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Trello account. Head over to the Trello website and click on the Login button. If you signed up using a Google account, you can log in with Google for a streamlined experience. Select the proper login method that corresponds with how you originally registered with Trello. Once you've clicked on Google, simply pick your Google account from the list that appears. This method ensures you get logged in securely and can get started right away. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the board for which you want to transfer ownership. This is easily done by locating your boards, which are conveniently listed on your Trello dashboard. Simply click on the board you wish to transfer from the list to open it up. With the board open, we can move on to the next crucial step, sharing the board's admin privileges. Look towards the top of your page and you'll find the Share button. Clicking this button allows you to manage who has access to the board and determine their level of permissions. This will open up a new window or sidebar, presenting you with options related to board members and their permissions. At this point, your goal is to transfer the admin role to a different member. In the Member drop-down menu, which lists all the current members of your board, locate the individual to whom you wish to assign the admin role. Once you find this person, select them and then choose the option to promote them to admin. This effectively transfers administrative rights to the new individual. Now, with the new administrator in place, it's time for you to step away from your role on this board. Locate the Options drop-down menu, which is usually found immediately on the board. This menu contains several options, including leaving the board. Upon initiating this step, a confirmation pop-up will appear, ensuring that you wish to complete this process. All it takes is one more click on Leave in the confirmation dialog, and voila! You have successfully transferred ownership of the board and stepped down as admin. Now the new admin can manage the Trello board as they see fit. This straightforward process ensures a smooth transition, keeping your collaborative efforts efficient and organized without any hiccups. Thank you for joining me today and learning how to transfer Trello board ownership. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it as well. Stay organized and happy Trelloing.